New energy vehicles are becoming more and more popular, but how long can a tired battery be used? Can retired batteries only be scrapped? Today, let's reveal the secret. Most plug-in hybrid and all-electric vehicles use lithium-ion batteries like these. The life of new energy vehicle batteries is generally 6 years. After 6 years, the frequency of failures will increase, and there will be problems such as reduced mileage, low power storage, and slow charging. To avoid unnecessary troubles caused by car batteries when driving, it is best to replace the battery in time after 6 years of use. It is too wasteful to directly scrap lithium-ion batteries after retirement. At present, there are mainly two ways to deal with waste new energy vehicle batteries. One is cascade utilization. For lithium-ion batteries with a certain amount of remaining capacity, they can be downgraded for energy storage and backup power on low-speed electric vehicles, lighting street lamps, or other infrastructure. The second is disassembly and recycling for batteries that cannot be used in cascades, such as batteries with severe loss or extremely low remaining capacity. They can be recycled and reused. Therefore, the retirement of new energy vehicle batteries does not mean scrapping, and they can be used again. So, in addition to new energy vehicle batteries, what waste batteries can be recycled? Click to subscribe, and we will continue to discuss it next.